Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Um, yeah, if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, so you'll get notifications when we do our next videos, new videos. Started the new month, so a bit of an indecision candle here, not a full reversal or anything like that. I mean, we look very toppy in some respects. So this is the total market cap, by the way. We'll start with just looking at the whole general market structure. So on the monthly, we are still a buy. We were still a buy when we closed at the end of last month, which is a positive. But we could be rolling over. That's the thing. So we need to see what happens over the next few weeks if we can push and get going again, and then this will straighten out and we will have another run. At the moment, we've got divergence over here. We've got divergence technically over here if we do roll over, which is not fantastic. We just had the 3 month print there, which hasn't got higher than the previous highs. So yeah, at the moment, nervy times. I mean, not super strong on the monthly, but we are still technically bullish. Over to the weekly. We've had, these beautiful like 5 weeks of bullish price action, and then we had 3 weeks in December, which have pulled us right back here. We are currently at sell on the weekly, but if we start finding support here, which we could do, we'll have a look at the daily in a minute. We find support here, which we could do. This could just end up rolling around, and we can go for another push, which I'll show you on the daily in a second. But yeah, 3 monthly, we have strength here. We do have strength still remaining in the 3 month and the 1 month. So it's something I'm holding on to at the moment. We do need to push higher on the weekly. We really need to have a really good positive push and pull this relative price above its moving averages, and we could get going. On to the daily. So if we look at the daily, when we had all this going on over here, we can see that we've like got a push, then we've got another push and a sell, and then we've got another push, and then we've got a sell, and then we've got another push. So when you think it's a sell and it's going to come all the way down, it can be quite short-lived. So this is what we could end up having over here on the weekly. We could end up having this a push, and then we could have a V reversal and a grind, and then tuck, and then another push. So we can keep going. We can keep going from here. It's just a case of monitoring this frequently now. Now we're into the clear joins. Where's my clear joins? Remove one joint. Now we're into like the making money zone, and there's certain strength there. This is what we really need to monitor. So coming to the 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, we're nearly bullish on the 1 day. We're still bullish on the 3 day. We're back above the 30 EMA. So right now, there's a bit of strength there coming into it. We're turning bullish on the relative price. Difficult to gauge at this moment in time. Potential buying opportunities out there. If we can pull back to around these EMAs and then start finding support and going again, we could get going again. So the daily looks like it's pushing. The 1 hour now is coming to just a consolidation zone here, which will come to the moving averages. And then what we should have is, because of a bit of strength here, maybe on the 4 hour and the 8 hour, price might just start finding some support and having another push. But these are important levels here. We need to really start get going again and starting attacking these highs. And if we can do that, I mean, some of our alts should perform. So monthly buy, weekly a sell, but we might start finding support. Daily, trying to be a buy. Let's keep an eye on that. We could end up with an inside day here. It is Friday. It's the first Friday of the month. Um, yeah, let's just be careful and let's just monitor. There's certain things that are out of our control, which is all of this right now. But what we can do is we can control what we potentially look at as buys. So on to the daily. What I like the look of there immediately is XLM, ADA, XRP. Is that Solana or is that? I think it is Solana. Yeah. So those look good on the daily. Um, Daily is a buy. So the only thing is we've got the weekly coming down here. The daily is a buy. That's what I need to do. I need to edit this screen so I can flick it on. Because at the moment we've got a bit of something like this. So this did this high here, then it came to around there, then it went down here, then it came up to around there, and then now we're up there. So this is where all these are going to be right now. So we're going to start hitting into it. This is what we need to be careful of in case we roll over and start pushing. But there's four there I can see straight away that look pretty good. If we go over to the likes of them, so let's look at the four, XRP, XLM, ADA, and Sol. ADA looks like a powerhouse. XRP looks really good. XLM looks really good. And who else? Solana. And Solana looks really good. So who else on the other side? We've got AVAX is looking good. NIA's looking good. Um, uh, Comp. Is it Comp? No, Atom. Atom is looking good. In fact, a lot of these are looking good, aren't they? Apart from Link, she looks like she's having a push, but might roll over. Band, but it's the same. Quant is mixed. Um, VeChain looks good, but then we're not bullish on down here. So the main ones there where the strength is right now is your XLM, ADA, XRP, and Sol. And you can see AVAX and NIA are going for it there. Let's try and make this bigger. Yeah, AVAX. Um, and you can see VeChain as well. So some of these are having a really good push on the daily. If we go to the 4 hour, they might be a bit toppy now. Go to the 4 hour, everything looks good down here. ADA looks beautiful again. Um, yeah, Ada looks good, doesn't she? XLM's had this huge push. Ada, XRP. Wow, yeah, a few of those have had a really good push. So let's look at those again on the 4 hour. So on the daily, we're a buy. On the 4 hour, we're a sell at the moment. But there's an anomaly, isn't there? They're pushing. So on the 4 hour, Ada looks good, but could be getting toppy. XRP looks like it's getting toppy. BNB, no. Litecoin, no, no, no. Bitcoin mixed. Neo mixed. Um, VeChain looks like it could be rolling into a sell on the 4 hour. But bearing in mind these are bullish. So when you get a sell on the 4 hour, it could be like, a few prints of a candle where you have bearish action and then the daily takes over again and it'll do a V reversal and go for it again. So like here, the market starts rolling over just like a couple of candles and then it pops on the V reversal. Um, yeah, XLM overstretched, but I like all this power here in the XLM. So I think drop down to your 1 hour, drop down to your 15 minutes. You can probably trade some of these quite aggressively because of the strength there. Yeah, XLM and ADA, XRP. So having a look at other stuff, sell, buy, Solana. Looking toppy. Yeah, they're going to go again though. Solana and AVAX and NIA maybe will go again. Okay, yeah. So just monitor, go down to your 1 hours and your 15 minutes and look for the best opportunities in those that we've just mentioned there. Moving over to the movers, where are we at? Pepe. So this is the daily chart. We're a buy on the daily. So Fetch AI is looking good. Render's looking good. Injective protocols looking good. Cass is looking good. Tau's looking good. Sui's a bit mixed, but still. Um, GRT's looking good. Comp, Dot looking good. Everything's kind of looking good, isn't it? Pepe's looking good, but looks like it could be rolling on against a few others. Doge looks good. Shiba looks good. Floki looks good. Um, uh, what else? Yeah, 4 hours. Sorry. I just got caught looking at something else that I was reading a news article. So good strength here on Tau. Uh, what else? Render, Tau, Render, and a few of these. Pepe over there. Pepe's had that push, and now she's having a bit of a rest. Let's have a look where we're going on the 4 hour. So remembering the daily, who was looking good? Fetch Render, Tau. And a few others really, weren't there? So let's go to here, fetch, looking a bit toppy. Duck, duck, duck. A bit of divergence. Yeah, looking toppy on there. Looking toppy on render. So I expect to pull back on those. Tau. There's strength there, but this could end up just extending again because of this strength here in Tau. Looks really good. In Sui, bit mixed and a bit of a sell. Poly underperform, GRT underperform. Comp looks like it could roll over. Dot still looks like it's going, but that could roll over. Pepe's rolling over. All the dogs basically are rolling over at the moment and underperforming. Nothing to be super excited about apart from maybe, yeah, look for Pepe for short little bounces of a couple of percent here, there, and everywhere. And then, yeah, Tau looks like it's got the strength there. The best one, really, it's difficult to say on the 4 hour. I think sit on your hands on the 4 hour or drop down to the 1 hour and look for something where you've got beautiful divergence. Let's do that. Let's drop to the 1 hour. Where are we at? So there's Tau still there. Yes, yes. You see, the thing is with these turning into a buy, some of these, you got to remember that the 4 hour is a bit of a sell at the moment, so there'd need to be quite an aggressive push to get going again. PolyX there. PolyX, like huge sell off there, wasn't it? What's that? -1 to so it's like a 2% drop there in Poly. So Poly could be a good one just for a quick bounce. Bearing in mind, yes, this is the 1 hour. Everything's a sell on the 1 hour at the moment. So whenever your 1 hour starts turning into a buy, that is when we need to really start looking at what's turning into a buy against other crypto. Because when the crypto market starts turning into a buy and starts going up, and everything starts going up, your mover will move the most. Let's put that back onto a 4 hour. Let's have a look at the daily. So that was the daily. Yeah, VChain, XRP, XLM, ADA. So let's drop to the 4 hour and the 1 hour. So ADA's just going good. Um, who else? Bitcoin's having a push there. So Neo's looking good on the 1 hour. XLM is a sell on the 1 hour, strong sell on the 1 hour with good divergence there. ADA is grinding. It's doing a flat line. So those sometimes are really good trades as well, just to get in when they don't roll over and come down. If they just keep going up and sideways, that's a good one where you can get in. Um, hmm Yeah, actually, I quite like those. Yeah, when they are quite flat, tuck, tuck, and then they do a V. Even a V reversal at that moment in time would have been what on Solana. That's the V reversal there. Let's put a vertical on. Oh, vertical, vertical. Ah, okay. Command Z, Z, Z. Okay, let's join tools. Oh, no. No, okay. And then let's try again. Vertical. Yeah, so that's that. So let's have a look what happened at that moment in time. So when you got that confirmation of a V reversal on Solana, you then did 5%, 4%, 6%. Right, moving up there. Yeah, 6.3. Nice, 6%. Even after the confirmation. Oh, no. Yeah, yeah, no, that was it. That was the sell. That was the buy V reversal. That was that. Yeah, so even from there, 5%, that's your 3% club, isn't it? Done in like one trade. Who else? Okay, so let's look at that. So when that one did it, nope. Yeah, so VChain as well. VChain 1%. Yeah, that's a lower low. Tuck, tuck. That closed there higher than that. Did that one close, open? No. I wonder if there's a pattern in there. If we've got a sell and a close and an open. Okay, now that's something I'll have a look at today. See if I can code something up. Okay, guys. Yeah. So listen, that's enough because it's a long one. Um, trade safe, keep safe, like and subscribe. Ask questions in Discord, ask questions in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I have got confirmations on because I was just getting loads of scammers advertising someone else who helped them make X amount of thousands. It's not that easy. Okay, guys. So keep safe, trade safe. I'll see you in the next one. Don't be afraid to reach out and definitely join our Discord. See you in the next one.